Is this real life, or just fantasy? Have you ever found yourself pondering this question, especially in moments when reality seems too strange or too perfect to be true? Have you ever questioned reality? Like, what if everything we know, everything we experience is not real? What if our senses are deceiving us and the world around us is just an elaborate illusion? Imagine for a moment that our entire existence is a carefully crafted simulation. What if the life we live, the people we meet, and the experiences we cherish are all part of a sophisticated program designed to mimic reality? What if it's all a giant computer program, a program so advanced that it can simulate every detail of our universe, from the smallest particle to the vastness of space? This might sound like science fiction, but some smart people think it could be true. Renowned scientists and philosophers have debated this idea, known as the simulation hypothesis, for years. The idea is that our universe is a simulation, created by beings far more advanced than us. These beings could possess technology so powerful that they can create entire worlds, complete with conscious beings like us. These beings could be running simulations to study us, like we study ants in an ant farm. They might be observing our behavior, our societies, and our evolution, gathering data for their own purposes. Or maybe they're just bored and looking for entertainment. Perhaps our lives are nothing more than a form of amusement for these advanced entities, a cosmic reality show for their enjoyment. It's a mind-blowing concept, right? The idea that everything we know could be an illusion challenges our understanding of reality and our place in the universe. But before you dismiss it as crazy talk, consider this. Our own technology is advancing at an incredible pace. Virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing are just a few examples of how we're pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We're creating increasingly realistic virtual worlds, and it's not hard to imagine a future where those simulations become indistinguishable from reality. As our technology continues to evolve, the line between the real and the virtual will blur even further. So, is our universe just a really good simulation? Could it be that we're living in a hyper-realistic virtual world, created by beings with technology far beyond our comprehension? It's a question that has puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries. The nature of reality, the existence of consciousness, and the possibility of a simulated universe are topics that continue to inspire deep thought and debate. And while we may never know for sure, exploring the possibility can lead us to some fascinating insights about the nature of reality, consciousness, and our place in the cosmos. It encourages us to question our assumptions, to seek out new knowledge, and to remain open to the mysteries of the universe. Think about video games. They've gone from pixelated blobs to incredibly realistic worlds. We can now explore vast landscapes, interact with complex characters, and even feel like we're really there. Virtual reality takes this to a whole new level. With VR headsets, we can step inside these digital worlds and experience them firsthand. The lines between the real and the virtual are becoming increasingly blurred. As technology continues to advance, who's to say what's possible? What if someday we create simulations so sophisticated that the beings inside them become conscious? And if we can do it, couldn't a more advanced civilization have already done it, creating our universe in the process? It's a dizzying thought. But the rapid pace of technological progress makes the simulation hypothesis seem less like science fiction and more like a glimpse into a possible future. If we are living in a simulation, could there be clues? Could there be signs that hint at the artificial nature of our reality, hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to uncover them? Some scientists believe there might be. They argue that certain anomalies and peculiarities in our universe could be indicative of a simulated environment. They point to strange phenomena in the quantum world that suggest our reality might not be as straightforward as it seems. The quantum realm is filled with mysteries that defy our conventional understanding of physics. For example, quantum mechanics tells us that particles don't have definite properties until they are observed. This phenomenon, known as the observer effect, challenges our perception of reality. It's like the universe is waiting for us to look before it decides what's real. This raises profound questions about the nature of existence and the role of consciousness in shaping our reality. Could this be a sign that we're living in a simulation, and the rules of reality are only rendered when we're looking? If so, it suggests that our universe operates like a highly sophisticated computer program. There are also weird coincidences and patterns in physics and mathematics that are hard to explain. These patterns might be the fingerprints of a programmer, subtle hints left behind in the code of our universe. Some physicists have even proposed that the universe might be a giant quantum computer, with the laws of physics acting as its software. This idea opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for understanding the cosmos. Of course, these are just theories. The scientific community is divided, with some embracing these ideas and others remaining skeptical. But the fact that we're even having these conversations shows how far our thinking has come. Our quest for knowledge has led us to question the very fabric of reality. We're no longer just asking what's out there in the universe, but also questioning the very nature of reality itself. As we continue to explore these profound questions, who knows what we might discover about the true nature of our existence? The advancements in technology, especially in the field of quantum computing, might one day provide us with the tools to test these theories. Perhaps in the near future, we will have a clearer understanding of whether our universe is a grand simulation or a complex yet natural phenomenon. Until then, the mystery remains. The idea that we might be living in a simulation continues to captivate the imagination of scientists, philosophers, and curious minds alike. It challenges us to think beyond the ordinary and to consider the extraordinary possibilities of our existence. Okay, let's say for a moment that we are living in a simulation. The next question is, who created it and why? Are they benevolent beings watching over us like a cosmic experiment? Or are they indifferent programmers running simulations for their own amusement? Some believe that if we are in a simulation, it might be possible to communicate with our creators, perhaps by finding glitches in the matrix or by sending messages through the fabric of reality itself. Others believe that the very act of searching for our creators is futile. If they wanted us to know about them, wouldn't they have told us by now? The truth is, we simply don't know. But speculating about the nature of our simulators can be a fun and thought-provoking exercise. It forces us to confront our place in the universe and to consider the possibility that we might not be at the top of the cosmic pecking order. Throughout history, humans have pondered their existence and the nature of reality. Philosophers and scientists alike have debated whether our world is real or just an elaborate illusion. Some theories suggest that advanced civilizations, far more technologically advanced than ours, could be the ones running these simulations. They might be exploring different scenarios, testing outcomes, or even studying the nature of consciousness across multiple simulated realities. Our curiosity drives us to explore these possibilities, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. As technology advances, we might one day create our own simulations, adding another layer to this cosmic puzzle. Whether or not we ever find definitive answers, the journey of exploration and the shared quest for knowledge bring us closer together. In the end, the universe remains a vast and awe-inspiring mystery, inviting us to keep questioning and seeking the truth. And perhaps it's this very quest for understanding that defines our humanity and our place in the cosmos. So, let's continue to explore, to question, and to dream about the possibilities that lie beyond our current understanding. After all, the journey itself might be just as important as the destination.